Hi guys, very good morning. So as you know that these days I'm recording some of my daily activities so that I can make a story and help you in storytelling, guys. So today I just got up around 7 o'clock in the morning. After that I got fresh, and then my wife went into the kitchen and she made raisin water. Raisin water actually, it detoxifies the liver. It's good for health. It keeps all the health problems at bay. So here, as you can see, I'm taking some raisin water. Can you see some raisins inside? Yeah. So this is what I'm doing right now, and after this I'm planning to go to any nearby park to take exercise. So when I go there I will be shooting some footages over there too, guys. So what I have planned, that whatever I'm doing whole day, I will be telling you stories. So whatever the situation I come across, and maybe I'll be showing you some live footages also, whatever I'm going to do if I get a chance. If I think that such things can be shot, then definitely I would do that, guys. So this is what I'm doing right now. So now wait for some new situations. I will be recording them as well, guys. Stay connected. Thank you, guys. Now, guys, I came across another situation. The first situation of this day is that again I got a call from Amazon that I'm standing at your location. Come and receive your packet. I said, okay, I'm coming. So now, as you can see, that I am going to receive that packet from that delivery boy. So I'm just showing you some live footage also, guys. My intention is to just teach you real English, situational English, and this is the main thing, guys. Okay, so now I am heading towards that location where the Amazon delivery boy must be standing, and I have to take the packet from him. So let's go. I was just about to go to park to take exercise. Suddenly I got a call, and I thought, okay, first let's take this. So I don't know where the person has gone. This is the main location, and he has not come yet. See, this is the location where he has to come, and I'm still waiting for him. So as you can see, it's a location he has not come yet. So I will have to wait for some time. Let's see. I think here is the person. Oh. Amazon. So here the person has come, and I'm taking the खुशबू से. So
आपका एनसी से कहना सर पहले
पहचान लिया. अभी वहीं पर थे.
अभी तो आप कोचिंग देते हैं शायद यार.
हाँ, इंग्लिश क्लासेस थी, बट कोरोना की वजह से बंद कर दिया. तो अब बस यूट्यूब पर है, तो सारे वीडियोस बनाता हूँ यूट्यूब के लिए.
क्योंकि मैं एक्चुअली वहाँ पे जाता हूँ ना, उस गली से निकल के, तो मैंने कई बार देखा था.
ओके. थैंक यू. So as you can see that I have got the packet. Thank you, भैया. Okay. So guys, it was the first situation I have shown you. So here the packet is with me. Now I'm going back to my home, and after that, whatever the new situation I come across, I'll be shooting the video. But I'm thinking that after this I have to go to the nearby park to take exercise, guys. Okay, so stay connected, guys. So while going to park, I'll shoot the video. Thank you, guys. Stay connected. Hi guys, so guys, I have come to the park. It is the nearby park, and now I am going to start my jogging. I'll do some push-ups and some other types of exercises, and then I will go back to my home. So stay connected, and after that I'll tell you the whole story, whatever the activities I did today. I mean including this exercise, then I will narrate you the story. So stay connected. Thank you. So now I have come back to my home from that nearby park. So now I can tell you the whole story. So I just wanted to tell you that whatever the activities you do every day, at the end you have to just narrate those things, guys. So if I tell you the story, I would say that okay, I got up around 7 o'clock in the morning. After that I got fresh. Then my wife went into the kitchen. She made raisin water and she gave me that raisin water. I started taking the raisin water, and having taken that water, I was just having a conversation with my wife. Suddenly my phone started ringing. I picked up the call. Then I asked that yes. Then the person said that I'm from Amazon and I have come to the location with your packet. I said, okay, I'm coming. After that, I went to that location. I received the packet from the delivery boy. I came back to my home, and after that, I went to the nearby park to take exercise. I started doing jogging. I did some push ups. I did front flip, some kick practice, and then I came back to my home. And now I'm talking to you. So, the first situation I have completed and I have narrated the story. Now I am waiting for another situation which I come across. Then definitely I will shoot that as well. And in the evening, I will upload this video, guys, so that this video can help you out, guys. Thank you. Stay connected, everyone. Hi guys, so it is around 10 o'clock in the morning and I have come across another situation. The situation is that I have to go to my son's school to submit a project. So this is the project made by my son. Actually it was the homework, and now school is about to open. The school was closed due to coronavirus outbreak. So he has made this project. You can see, like you can see this watch, and I don't know what it is. A lot of things he has made, so I just have to go. You can see this flower and a lot of things. So I have to go to his school to submit this project. So I'm going. After that I'll come back to my home. Then again I'll narrate this story to you. And similarly, whatever the situations I come across, I will start shooting some footages, and after that I'll be telling you the stories, guys. And you also have to do the same, guys. Okay? Stay connected. Thank you, guys.
Like a bird on a tree.
Hi guys, so I have submitted that project to the school, and now I am here. Actually, I got a call from my home, and my wife said that to buy some fruits. So right now I am here. I have to take some bananas. So I'm taking some bananas. After that I'll take some other fruits, and then I'll go back to my home, guys. So whatever the situation I come across, I'm trying to make videos, guys, for you, the guys. कैसे भैया?
40 रुपये.
So here you can see this bunch of bananas, 40 rupees, 12 pieces. 12 piece? कर दीजिए. 12 piece. And guys, I'm telling you, it's very tough to shoot on road. As you can see, if I request my camera person to show the entire scene, how many people are looking, just दिखाओ बेटा. Hello. People may be thinking that this is for any new channel or what, but I love my work and I am ready to do this kind of activities every day for you, the guys. So I paid the money. Now I have to buy some other fruits. After that, directly to home. Thank you, bhai. So guys, as you can see that I have come to another shop and I am taking some grapes from here. I'm taking half kg grapes. Now follow me. Wait. So guys, now the last work is that tomorrow is Akshat's birthday and I have to place an order for the cake. So I have come to this place and I'm going to order for cake. Yeah, thank you. वो उसे ना Spider-Man का face वाला cake चाहिए. So guys, now I have come back to my home from Akshat's school. Now I'm telling you, I'm just going to tell you a story, and after that I will end this video because I have to go for the shooting of my another channel also, English with Chandan. So I think I should end this video here. For today it's enough. So let me tell you the story. So after coming from the park, what happened? I was having my breakfast, and having had my breakfast, I decided to start working on my computer. But my wife came to me and asked me to go to Akshat's school to submit his project. Then I took the project and I started heading towards Akshat's school. So I was just about to reach his school. Suddenly she made me a call and said that you have to buy some fruits also and some milk packets also. I said okay. So I entered the school, I submitted that project there, and after that I came out of that school, and on the way I purchased some bananas. After that I went to another cart and there I purchased half kg grapes. Then I went to a shop to place an order for the cake, as tomorrow is Akshat's birthday. So I placed the order, and after that I came back to my home, guys. So this is what I did today. Okay, now maybe I can come across another situation also in the evening, but I'm not going to wait for that situation because I have to be quite busy today. I have to shoot some videos for my another channel, English with Chandan. So this is all about this video, guys. Thank you very much. Stay connected and keep practicing, guys. Just do the same that I am doing, guys. Thank you, guys.